Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. Today I'm going to be sharing these products that were sent to me for review. The company name is AIMEILI, and they sent me their base and top coat and one nail polish to try out. Let's see what they look like. Oh, that's pretty. So this is what the packaging looks like. You get 10 ml, and on the top it has the number of the polish shade, as well as on the box you can see it here, 105. Look at this gorgeous shade. It's a combination of blue and purple and it looks beautiful. And in this box we have the base and top coat. I love that it's a no wipe top coat, and they're also clearly labeled. They also include an instruction sheet, and they have their website here, AIMEILINail.com, and their Facebook page. I'll have links and more information in the description box of my video. So they have the labels on the lid, and they also have it on the actual bottle, which is really nice. So here's the base coat and the no wipe top coat. So let's try it out. Let's swatch the polish. You want to do thin coats when you're using gel polish. We're going to cure in the lamp for 1 minute. Now we'll apply a second coat. And we'll cure for 1 more minute. After curing the second coat, we'll apply the top coat. We'll cure for 1 more minute. And here's what it looks like after applying 2 coats and the top coat. I love that it's a no wipe top coat, so there's no sticky layer. It's a completely smooth finish, and I really like that. Now I'm going to apply it onto my nails. And here's the final result. I love this polish. The color is gorgeous. It's very opaque and it looks beautiful. Thank you to AIMEILI for sending me these products to review and share with you. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!